If we've been conditioned to experience reality with our senses, then for the most part, then not a lot of people put a lot of attention on the field. So then it doesn't exist. Just like your nose doesn't exist until you put your awareness on it. And once you put your awareness on it, it comes to life. And that's the unified field. What if you kept surrendering deeper into it and allowing it to consume you? To give up some aspect of your limited self to join the greater self. To lose yourself in nothing, to become everything. When you walk back into your life, you may view your life from a different level of consciousness. So why not just go a little further than where you normally stop? Because in that place, as always, you're in the unknown, and things are going to begin to happen for you. And you just got to choose yourself. You're actually in the perfect place to create. I chose the phoenix rising as the symbol of the transformation of matter because the phoenix lights itself on fire, burns to ashes, and then is resurrected. We can enact that in 4 days if everybody shows up ready to go. You think we can do it?
Let your light shine for all to see. This world can be cold and bitter. It feels like we're in the dead of winter, waiting on something better. But am I really gonna hide forever? Over and over again, I hear your voice in my head. Let your light shine for all to see. Start a fire in my soul, fan the flame and make it grow. So there's no doubt.
I am going to push you this week way beyond where you normally go because that's where the magic happens. If one person can do it, you can do it as well. And if we do it properly and we make our way the first day and you begin to liberate energy, the rest of the weekend is going to be fun.
You only need a spark to start a whole blaze. It only takes a little faith. Let it start right here in this city. So these old walls will never be the same. Over and over again, I hear your voice in my head. They need to know I need to go. Spirit, won't you fall on my heart now? Start a fire in my soul, fan the flame and make it grow. So there's no doubt or denying. Let it burn so brightly that everyone around can see that it's you that we need. Start a fire in me.
I'm going to challenge you physically. I'm going to challenge you emotionally. I'm going to challenge you chemically. I want to know the limit where you stop believing in your future. And when you go just a little further than that and step into that realm of possibility and no longer care how it's going to happen, when it's going to happen, or with who, that's when the magic always happens. In order for you to create something new in your life, you have to move to a new consciousness, because the present consciousness has created the life that you presently experience. We have to raise our energy. We have to break through some of those limited states, and when we move to a greater level of consciousness, then of course you have the epiphany. All of a sudden you're going to start falling in love with the future, and your chemistry is going to change, and your heart coherence is going to change, and your brain coherence is going to change. This future you that's existing right now because you overcame yourself, what would you say to that guy at 4 a.m. that was dragging his body in here? phoenix lights herself on fire for no other reason than the idea that she can be reborn again, somebody else. Nobody does it to the phoenix. The phoenix asks, what are my limitations? What are my disbeliefs? What are my own personal blocks? What are my blind spots? Because there's a part of us that knows better all the time. That is the soul. That is your conscience. It knows better all of the time.
You are the fire, you are the flame, you are the light on the darkest day. We have the hope, we bear your name, we carry the news that you have come to save. Only you can save. Start a fire in my soul, fan the flame and make it grow. So there's no doubt or denying. Let it burn so brightly that everyone around can see that it's you that we need. Start a fire in me. Start a fire in me.
And can you stay in the fire and let it consume you? Remember, the phoenix does it voluntarily. It makes the choice.